compare thee when no one ever could come close. Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it...
Hi, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and I wanted to tell you the video before this one was on how I made this chicken in my Ninja Foodi. At that point, it was just cooked chicken, and right now what I'm going to do, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the chicken and how I was going to fix it or whatever. But now this is what I'm going to do. I have drained off most of the liquid in this chicken, but I have got this thing of Sonny's barbecue. Oh, I don't see, I need to, I guess, zoom out. It's a whole thing. It's a 5-pound, 84 ounce jug of Sonny's barbecue sauce. And I'm going to put, I don't know, let's see, about a cup in there right now. Let's see if that's... Yeah, that's... I'm gonna... Let's see. Now I'm gonna go on and put a little bit more in there. About a cup and a half of barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna let these sit in here. I'm gonna turn the Ninja Foodi on just the right now, just the warm button, the keep warm. I'm gonna put it on that. Okay. Yeah, just the keep warm. Well, where did it go? There it goes. All right, and just the keep warm button, and I'm going to leave this on here because I'm going to fix some other stuff to go with this for dinner. So I will bring you back and show you, what else I'm going to fix to go with this. Okay, y'all. All right, I'm back. All right, now to go with the barbecue chicken, I am going to roast in my oven. I have two big, these are russet potatoes, and I have two sweet potatoes. Probably by the time I cut these, there's not going to be very much left of the sweet potatoes, and it might not be in those either, but I'm going to go on and peel them with my peeler. Both of, both the sweet potatoes and the russet potatoes. I'm going to go on and peel them, and then I'll wash them, and then I'll bring them back in here and cut them into pieces, and then I'll bring you back and show you what I'm going to do from there. Okay, y'all, I wanted to show you my pan. I put aluminum foil down the bottom, and then I've got parchment paper on the top, and I'm going to fold this down so it'll stay down and not burn. All right, and now here is my bowl of, let me just get this up some, sweet potatoes and the white potatoes, the russet potatoes. And I am going to put in here avocado oil. Oh, you can't see. Avocado oil, Primal Kitchen. I can't remember where I got this from. It may have been from Thrive. I think that's where I got it from. Alright, so I'm going to put probably a couple tablespoons, maybe a little bit more than that. Alright, and then I've got these two spices. I've got chili lime. I'm going to put that in here. Probably a half a teaspoon of that. And then I have got sweet and savory. Sweet and smoky. Okay, yeah, that's cool. I was thinking it said sweet and savory, but sweet and smoky is cool. All right, and it's got brown sugar. It's got salt, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, chipotle, chili, pepper, mustard, celery seed, paprika, garlic, onion, and vinegar solids. And this is a Grill Mates. And I'm going to put this on here. Whoops, you can't even see. I didn't turn you around. All right, I done put some on it. Probably that's a good 2 teaspoons of that on here. All right, and then I'm gonna shake this up. I'm just turning my bowl. All right, get the other side ready over here. Bend it down. All right. Well, shoot. Bring a spoon in here, so I'm just going to use my knife. All right, I'm going to spread these out as flat as I can get them on this parchment paper. I've got my oven preheated to 425. These are going to go in there probably, I don't know how, it takes an hour for them to bake when they're, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes. I'll let y'all know. It's 10 till right now, so, and one just fell on the floor. All right, and so when I get these out, I'll let y'all know. And this is, we're going to have this, and then I'm going to fix one other roasted vegetable, and this is going to be our good Sunday dinner. All right, so I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, the next thing, and besides some bread, this is the last thing that I'm fixing, and this is Brussels sprouts. And these undoubtedly had to be the biggest Brussels sprouts that I have ever seen in our area. We don't have them this big, but I had to cut each of these in half, every one of them, because they were so big. And I want to tell you, growing up, my mom never did fix Brussels sprouts. And then when I got a little bit older, I went somewhere and I tried them and I didn't like them. Well, those were just plain boiled Brussels sprouts. If in your adult life you do not like Brussels sprouts, then you have not fixed them or had them made this way. The way that I'm going to show y'all how that I fix them is the best way that you will. Oh my gosh, they're just so good. All right, so I have washed all these and cut them in half. Now I'm going to put some more avocado oil. Well, I'm going to use avocado in these two, and probably about the same amount, probably 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And in this one, the other one I used, the sweet and smoky. In this, I'm gonna try the 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. Spices of the World 21 seasoning salute. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here. All right, let me get it back over here so you can see. And this one has onion, spices, black pepper, celery seed, cayenne pepper, parsley, basil, marjoram, bay leaf, oregano, thyme, savory, rosemary, cumin, mustard, coriander, garlic, carrot, orange peel, tomato granules, lemon juice, lemon juice powder, oil of lemon, and citric acid. All right, so this has got some good spices in it too. And I'm just going to put, and we don't have a Trader Joe's near us, but I heard so many people talking about this years ago that I went on, when I found out about Amazon and that you could find anything on the Amazon, I went on and ordered some of this 21 seasoning salute from Amazon, and I do have it listed below with my Amazon links or whatever. So if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you and you want to try this, it really is good. All right, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to shake this up, get this avocado oil on here and all these seasonings. And I may have to put some more seasoning on here. Let me see. Nah, I don't. All right, so I've got a little pan like the other one that I had a while ago for the potatoes, and I've done the same thing. I've got the aluminum foil on the bottom, and then I'm putting the parchment paper on the top. I'm going to put this in here. Alright. Still didn't bring a spoon in here. Went and washed the knife and everything. Still didn't bring a spoon in here. Alright, now, these take a pretty long while too, and as big as these are, I really don't know how long these are going to take either. But do you see these little leaves and all right here? When you roast these leaves get brown, and it is the absolute best thing. And I can see all along the sides here that there needs to be some oil. So I'm just going to have to go and pour some oil all around the sides because it don't look like that it got any on them. And they won't be roasted if I don't do. Oh, I got to put salt and pepper on them, y'all. I forgot about that. And I'm using kosher salt. And I'll just make sure that I have put salt all over them. And then I'm using coarse ground black pepper, but I'm not going to put very much pepper on these. Okay. Alright, now these are going in my oven that's 425 degrees, and I will bring y'all back when all this stuff gets done. Okay, y'all, I put the barbecue sauce in here, and I had it on warm in my Ninja Foodi. Well, now I've got it on sear saute, and I've got it on low, the lowest that it'll go, just so that it will warm up and, you know, get warm enough to eat with the potatoes and the Brussels sprouts that I have in the the potatoes and the Brussels sprouts that I have in the oven cooking. So as soon as everything gets ready, I'm going to fix my plate, and I will bring y'all back and show you, and we're going to see what this tastes like. Okay, y'all. All right, so I'm here, and here is my plate. I have my barbecue chicken right here. I have my Brussels sprouts right here. And I have the white potatoes and the sweet potatoes right here. I want to taste these the first thing. This is my favorite, of course. All right, and that was the russet potato. All right, let me try the sweet potato. Oh my gosh. All right, we know this is going to be good, this chicken. Oh my gosh, yes. Now there will be enough of this left so that I can have a salad tomorrow. All right, let me taste my Brussels sprouts. There's, you always want to get one that's browned. Oh my gosh, y'all, they are so good. Roasted Brussels sprouts are one of my favorite vegetables. That and asparagus. And see these pieces right here, what I was talking about. These are so crispy. You can't see it now. And so good. I just love these. You can't beat this for a Sunday dinner. Barbecue chicken, roasted Brussels sprouts, and roasted potatoes and sweet potatoes. I hope you like this. You have to give this a try. Alright, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. And also there will be links below to different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase at Amazon. And don't forget that Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute will be listed below too. And that, oh my gosh, it just makes these taste so good. Alright, so I hope y'all have a good day. And don't forget to give this Sunday dinner a try. And I will talk to you later. Bye.